Are you facing errors in manual OT documentation? Can HODs and admins monitor OTs remotely? Do you have OT utilization and capacity data for optimizing usage and revenue? Are medication and fluid details accurately documented? Can you access patients' historical data, lab reports, and X-rays while the patient is in OT? Is all patient data accessible in one location? Introducing the BPL iCare OT, an automated OT workflow and charting solution designed to revolutionize your operating room. Using instantaneous and accurate data capture, it seamlessly integrates patient vitals, procedural details, and real-time alerts for thorough documentation in both intraoperative and post-operative care. Its state-of-the-art digital platform features real-time monitoring of patient vitals and mapping of all critical OT events, integrated fluid and medication management, precisely tracking administered medicines, direct linking between OTs and hospital pharmacies to anticipate, organize, and deliver medical necessities, single view windows and advanced scheduling methods to oversee multiple surgeries simultaneously and prioritize critical cases, automated report generation of all OT events, creating comprehensive records, instant access to all patient data, including X-ray and lab reports, with just a single click, customizable OT notes to add unique and essential details for post-operative care. Robust security protocols and encrypted data ensures patient confidentiality. Advanced cloud-based storage systems facilitate seamless data distribution and provide remote access to patient information at all times, ensuring a complete care continuum. Altogether, the OT Charting centralized platform is a complete one-stop solution that streamlines your operational workflows, allowing your team to focus on what matters most, providing exceptional care. Join the future now and elevate your operating theater with the BPL iCare OT automated workflow and charting solution today.